What up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. We're out here, Merrill Creek in New Jersey. Haven't been here since the spring, but me and my buddy Jake, say what up. He's part of a New Jersey kayak trail. Actually, when I fished here in the spring, I ran into their club fishing a tournament. So he hit me up, said let's try this lake. And I know summertime can be super tough, so we're gonna try some deep stuff. We're gonna try some crazy stuff and try to find some fish here in the summer. So let's get out there and let's get on some fish. Jake hooked up with something big on a blade bait. It says it's a giant pickerel. I thought it was a lake trout.
We got the state record pickerel on.
You want me to net it or you got it?
No, I should be able to get it. If I can get him up. He's so strong, dude.
I thought for sure it was a laker.
I'm pretty sure it's a pickerel.
I don't know. It's deep.
I didn't get the best look at it. I just seen that green flash. Dang, this thing won't give up. Oh no, it's a big pickerel.
Oh my gosh.
That's the fattest pickerel I ever seen.
Dude, that's sweet.
God damn. Oh my god. Dude, it almost looks like a bass, it's so thick.
That is awesome.
I knew when I hooked it, I was like, dude, this is a bass. Oh, the pressure might be fucking with him.
Oh, he was deep.
Oh,
there he
good.
goes. Nice job, dude. That's
awesome.
Sweet. Well, there's a bunch of fish. Yeah. No. Bunch of fish though. Oh yeah. Probably a bunch of rock bass, but there's probably like 10 to 15 fish. Looks like a rock point.
There's like a little secondary.
Alrighty guys, Jake just caught a decent little largie on a jig.
Yeah,
nice
I'll
one.
take it right on the grass line.
There you go. Go ahead and toss her back. Oh! Oh! Nice. Good job, dude.
Awesome.
That they are.
Really healthy weight.
I got one. Oh yeah, smallie. Woo! Yes sir, flatworm. I didn't zero.
It doesn't get isolated as it goes. It's also not nearly as deep.
Yeah, the first day we drop shotted and fished deep. The second day we Carolina rigged all day. The guy I was with was in like second. And then I lost some good ones that day. And then the third day I caught one on Alabama rig and like that was it all day. We fished like shallow shit and it was a grind. Yeah, like the first stop we did. They're just busting everywhere on bait, like all like middle of the fish. No. The A rig. Yeah, dude, I got bit. All right, Jake with another smallie. Oh yeah. I marked it, my fish. He just caught it. Nice. Sweet. Jake with another one. What was it, 18?
18 and a half.
Nice. Largy, switching it up.
Solid fish. On the jig again.
Nice.
Yeah. I can feel the jig hung in the grass.
Clear water, it's got wood, rock, and grass. I don't know what else you want.
I know.
It's just so tough.
It's really...
Like late May, the smallies will go on bed and like 6 foot and you can see them. And guys will just come here and I caught 92 inches for fun. Yeah.
The only thing I've caught, this is my third time here. I caught a sunfish and that was like gigantic.
Mm-hmm. No, there's 8-pound larges in here. There's 5+ pound smallies. Yeah. It's so hard in the summer. That's why I came out here just practicing deeper fishing. I mean, that was his biggest one of the day, 18 and a half, but most of them are like 12 to 14.
Wow. There's probably another guy in my club, and I don't know how.
Fish. 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 I got one. Yeah. Oh, it's a little smallie. You kidding me? I'm chucking this and I catch that. It's not even a keeper. Don't shake. Oh, or come off. That worked out perfectly. Relax. I don't even think he goes 12. Mondo. I thought it was gonna be giant. There we go. Big fish. Big fish. Never mind. Lots of grass with it. Yeah, 2-pound smallie. A jig. There we go. Something super tiny. Bluegill or rock bass? Neither. 7-inch largie. Nice. Mondo. Alrighty guys, gonna call it a day here out on Merrill Creek. I'm heading in. Got some stuff I gotta do, so I'm not gonna stay out too late. It's 1:15. Pretty good day out with my buddy Jake. I'm gonna link his channel down below. He films YouTube videos as well. He didn't bring his GoPro today, but he does film a lot of tournament videos and stuff like that. He primarily fishes in Jersey. So if you guys are from Jersey and you wanna look into a lot of YouTube videos from Jersey, go check out Jake's channel and appreciate it. Hit the subscribe button for me and him as well. Hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Little tough fishing, but that's how it is here in the summer. I was actually more focused on working on my graphing skills, which I think I've learned quite a bit today. So it was a pretty good day. Jake caught 3, I caught 2 and lost 1. So pretty good day out on Merrill for summertime. Hope you guys enjoyed today's episode, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.